How to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily apply for Amazon affiliate program and also how you can easily make use of the Pinterest platform for you to promote your affiliate links and earn more. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to get the Amazon Associate or program first. And to apply for affiliate program, you just need to go to Google and easily search for Amazon affiliate program, because if you will visit directly the amazon.com, you will be having hard time of finding the affiliate program page for you to apply. So it's better that you go to Google and just search for Amazon affiliate program here. And as you can see here at the top, we have this link that you can easily click on, and it will redirect you to this page. So over here, you can apply for Amazon Associates or affiliate marketing program. So first, you just need to sign up. And then the second step is you can recommend. So share millions of products with your audience. They have customized link tools for large publishers, individual bloggers, and social media influencers. So that's the good thing about Amazon, because Amazon is a very popular e-commerce platform that you can find any product that you like. So after you have selected the product that you like to promote, then you can also earn. So once you have a buyer for that product, then you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. It means that when the customer already paid the product, just click the sign up button. So just follow the step over here and just provide all the information needed. And after that, once you submit your form, then just wait for the response from Amazon Associates. So they may approve or decline your form or your submission, but it will depend on the information that you provided. So once you have the approval, you just need to go to your Amazon.com. Just say we will be searching for a slimming gummies over here. All right, so we have different product here for slimming gummies. So when you click this product and once you have the approval for you to promote the product, then you can also have your option over here for you to get your special link. And this is the link that you will be using to promote your product, because this is the link where you can track your sales and also your commission. So over here, once you have the product, you just need to get the image. So for example, I will be saving this image. All right, so we downloaded the image successfully. Then the next thing that you need to do is you can go to your Pinterest. So Pinterest is a very well-known product as well for those people who are looking for ideas, DIY, and find a product or to find a service to buy. So it's a perfect platform for you to promote your Amazon affiliate links for you to earn more. So over here, you just need to create an account and provide your Google account or your email for you to sign up, and make sure that you upload your cover photo here and your own profile as well over here, and a short description about your Pinterest account and what are your product or your content promoting. And also, if you have any website, you can also put it here, which I advise you to create your website. And you can make use of Wix.com for you to create a website for free. So why you need a website? Because over here inside this platform, Pinterest, if you will be promoting a affiliate link, and once the Pinterest algorithm notice that your Pinterest pin or your post includes affiliate links, there will be a less contribution of your content. So they will not gonna contribute it to many user, but they will just contribute it in a few user, which is not really good. So the alternative way that you can do that is when you disclose that you included a affiliate link to your post. So for example, so going back here on Pinterest, if you create your pin over here, so you can download your image over here and also add the title and the description. So under the description, just need to disclose. So for example, we enter here disclosure affiliate link, and then you can just paste your affiliate or Amazon affiliate link over here. But the disadvantage about this, if you disclose an affiliate link, some of the user who will be checking your content or your post, they will not gonna click the link. So it's better that you create your own website and then you just remove the disclosure. It's like that you are sharing some advice to your customer, and for them to know more about this advice, how to get slim, because we are selling slimming gummies, then they need to click your link or visit your website. So we can create our website easily and faster for free by using the Wix.com, and you can create this kind of website over here for free. So the next thing that you need to do is to create your Pinterest post, or they call it Pinterest pin. So to do that, to create your post here and make sure that it attracts your customer to click on your link, just go to canva.com. This is also a free platform that you can use to create your graphic design for any social media post. So just search for Pinterest pin, and it will give you the standardized size for the Pinterest pins. So you can just select any template here that's for free. So for example, I will be choosing this one over here. And over here on the left-hand side, you can see we have our search bar. So just search for fitness. So let's just go ahead and, for example, we will be selecting this one over here. And over here, we can just change the text. So how to lose weight for 14 days. All right. And then we can just add our product here. So we can also add some grids. So just go to Element. So just go to Frames and then just select See All for you to select different kind of frames here that you can make use of. So I will just make use of this square, and then I will just go ahead and go to the upload. And over here, I can just upload the image that I downloaded from the Amazon. So here I already have the product, and I can just easily drag this one inside our grid. So over here, I can also change the size, and then you can just click share and then go to download and make sure that you download the JPEG. So just click download, and once you downloaded the file, you can go back to the Pinterest, and over here, you can start adding your design and then add our title here. Let's just make use of our title, this one, how to lose weight. And then your description here about the product. You can go to Amazon and get this one and then paste it over here. You can just paste your website link over here so that your visitors or your customer can just easily click on this post, and it will redirect them to your product page for them to know more about this product, how they can lose weight for 14 days, and how they can get the product. You can insert your affiliate link inside your website. So I guess that's all for today, and thank you for watching.